Hey everyone, for 2025, Huawei has once again increased the number of tablets in its inventory. The new MatePad 12X sits well behind the company's incredibly expensive MatePad Pro series. This tablet positions itself as a competent and fashionable all-arounder for both entertainment and productivity by fusing Huawei's elegant design philosophy with powerful daily performance and an eye-catching display. With its enormous 12-inch display, surrounded by uniformly thin bezels that give it a balanced and contemporary appearance, the MatePad 12X makes a big impression right away. In order to retain a sleek and symmetrical appearance, the front camera is tucked into the top bezel rather than in an ugly notch. The tablet weighs only 555 grams and is less than 6 millimeters thick, which is astonishing considering its large screen area. Users must rely on Huawei's app gallery and pedal search to locate programs and APKs, because like all Huawei devices, Google services are not available. One of the MatePad 12X's most notable features is its 12-inch paper matte LCD screen. Despite not being OLED like the Pro model, its 2,800 by 1,840 pixel resolution still creates bright, colorful images. The panel has a 144 Hz refresh rate for fluid navigation and video playback, and the matte coating greatly reduces glare, making it perfect for outdoor use or bright environments. Particularly when using the M Pencil Pro pen, the screen's roughness provides a pleasing tactile element by simulating the sensation of actual paper. The audio quality is likewise outstanding. The tablet boasts a 6-speaker system from Huawei that produces rich, clear sound through 2 tweeters and 4 woofers. It can readily fill a room, so even in noisy environments, it may be used for video calls or media viewing. Huawei's magnetic keyboard case is an accessory that adds functionality. With full-size keys that have reasonable travel, it turns the tablet into a portable workstation that lets users type comfortably. MatePad 12X's camera configuration consists of a 50-megapixel rear sensor and an 8-megapixel front-facing camera. The microphones perform a commendable job of separating sound from surrounding noise, and the front camera records crisp, lifelike 1080p video calls. It works well for taking short pictures or scanning documents, but it can't really take the place of a smartphone's camera. Another highlight is battery longevity. MatePad 12X can comfortably handle a full day of mixed use, including streaming, multitasking, and productivity tasks, thanks to its capacity of slightly over 10,000 mAh. During testing, Huawei was able to play videos from a local file for almost 14 hours straight, which is great for a tablet this size. Additionally, 66-watt wired charging speeds up charge, filling the battery from empty to full in less than 90 minutes, which is significantly faster than most competitors in this category. All things considered, the Huawei MatePad 12X 2025 is a sophisticated and powerful large-format tablet that achieves an almost ideal balance between design, performance, and display quality. Its superior build quality, long battery life, powerful audio, and glare-free high-refresh display make it one of the best non-Google Android alternatives available, even though it lacks OLED technology and Google's app ecosystem. It's perfect for consumers who value reading, watching media, or doing light work on a stylish, multi-purpose gadget that feels and looks far more high-end than its mid-tier positioning would imply. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video helpful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.